BambooHR Review. Is this the best HR management tool 2026? Looking for a complete HR management solution in 2026? You've probably come across BambooHR, but is it really worth the hype? In this video, we're breaking down BambooHR's features, user experience, pricing, support, and how it compares to other HR tools on the market. We'll also dive into real user reviews from platforms like Trustpilot. Stick around for our final verdict. But before moving forward, do check out the links in the description to get your favorite HR management tool at up to 50% discount. Let's move to the first part of the video, which is discussing key features. BambooHR is an all-in-one cloud-based HR platform designed for small to medium-sized businesses. Let's take a look at what it offers. Core features include employee records management, central hub for employee data, applicant tracking system, ATS, streamline hiring workflows, onboarding tools, customizable welcome packets and checklists, performance management, goal tracking and feedback tools, time off tracking, automated PTO requests and approvals, payroll, US only, RDC integrated payroll processing, employee self-service portal. Employees can view their info and make requests, mobile app, facilitating access BambooHR on the go. Let's go in detail for each of the feature. One, employee records management. What it does acts as a centralized database for storing and managing all employee information securely. Key capabilities: digital employee files, contact info, job titles, salary history, etc. Role-based access controls, document storage, e.g. contracts, ID proofs, change tracking, and audit trails. Benefit: eliminates the need for spreadsheets or paper files. Everything is searchable and organized in one place. 2, applicant tracking system, ATS. What it does helps HR teams recruit and hire efficiently from job posting to offer letter. Key capabilities: create and publish job listings on job boards, customizable hiring workflows, resume parsing and tagging, interview scheduling and collaboration tools, candidate rating and notes. Benefit: streamlines the entire recruitment process, making it easier to manage multiple open roles. 3, onboarding tools. What it does: automates and personalizes the new hire onboarding process. Key capabilities: custom onboarding checklists, welcome emails and intro packets, digital form completion, e.g. W-4, I-9, direct deposit form. Automated task reminders for managers and IT. Benefit: saves HR time and creates a smooth, professional first experience for new employees. Number 4, performance management. What it does: supports ongoing employee development and feedback through structured performance reviews. Key capabilities include goal setting and tracking, self and manager evaluations, 360-degree feedback, review templates and custom cycles, and performance trend reporting. The benefit is encouraging a culture of regular feedback and aligning individual goals with company strategy. Number 5, time off management. What it does: automates and tracks employee paid time off, sick days, and other leave types. Key capabilities include time off policies by department or location, employee self-service PTO requests, manager approval workflows, calendar view of team absences, and auto-updated accrual balances. The benefit is reducing HR workload and minimizing PTO conflicts or errors. Number 6, payroll, US only. What it does: fully integrated payroll processing with time tracking and benefits integration. Key capabilities include automated tax filing and payment, direct deposit setup, pay stub generation, sync with employee time tracking and PTO, and built-in compliance with state and federal laws. The benefit: an end-to-end solution, but note it's only available in the US as of 2025. Employee self-service portal. What it does: gives employees secure access to their own information and tasks. Key capabilities include viewing and updating personal info, submitting time off requests, accessing pay history and benefits, completing onboarding tasks, and participating in reviews and feedback cycles. The benefit: it empowers employees and reduces routine HR inquiries. BambooHR mobile app extends access to BambooHR's tools on the go. Key capabilities include mobile time off requests, push notifications for approvals, viewing pay and performance data, directory and org chart access, and secure login, often with SSO or biometrics. The benefit: It supports hybrid and remote workforces and busy managers. Reporting and analytics provide built-in HR reports and dashboards for better decision-making. Key capabilities include pre-built and custom reports like headcount, turnover, and PTO usage, export to Excel or PDF, visual dashboards, data filters and segments, and scheduling reports to stakeholders. Everything is built with user-friendliness and automation in mind, helping HR teams save time and reduce errors. Now move to the user interface. One of BambooHR's biggest strengths is its clean and intuitive user interface. Whether you're an HR manager or a new hire, the navigation is seamless. First, dashboard design. The home dashboard is the first thing users see, and it varies slightly depending on the role: admin, manager, or employee. Design elements are minimalist with soft color tones, mainly green, white, and gray. The user experience gives immediate visibility of urgent tasks like pending approvals. Navigation structure. The navigation bar, left or top, organizes menu items logically. People for the employee directory, hiring for applicant tracking, reports for predefined and custom reports, plus performance time off, benefits. Expandable menus and hover features help users find sub-tools quickly. Admins see everything. Managers see team-level data. Employees see only their own info and shared documents. And interface highlights include timeline-style views for employment history, drag-and-drop file uploads, and built-in action buttons like send review or change role. Mobile interface. BambooHR's mobile app is available on iOS and Android with a sleek design for smaller screens. Key features let you view and edit profiles, request PTO, approve tasks for managers, and access the org chart and directory. It's fast, supports fingerprint or Face ID logins, and sends push notifications for real-time actions like time off approvals, reports, and analytics. Interface, there's an interactive report builder with drop-down filters, checkboxes, and segmentation tools. Visualizations are clean bar, line, and pie charts with clear export options. Templates exist for common reports like headcount, attrition, and PTO usage, and clickable data points allow drill downs. Admin settings and configuration. The admin panel cleanly separates company details, permissions, custom fields, and integration setup. Smart defaults help avoid configuration mistakes, and setup wizards guide onboarding workflows, performance cycles, and policy setup. Accessibility includes keyboard navigation and improving high contrast and screen reader compatibility, while localization provides expanding multi-language support. Design philosophy. BambooHR prioritizes simplicity. Advanced features still feel easy. There's a minimal learning curve, clean, clutter-free design to reduce visual fatigue, consistent UI behavior across tools, and mobile responsiveness for tablets and smartphones. In short, clean layout, easy navigation, strong employee experience, manager-focused views, logical admin setup, and full mobile access. Even first-time users can get up and running with minimal training. Most important part, pricing. Unlike some tools with public pricing, BambooHR uses a quote-based pricing model based on your company size and selected features. Starts around $6 to $12 per employee a month for the Essentials plan. Add-ons like payroll, time tracking, or performance management cost extra. While it may be on the premium side, many businesses find the time saved and efficiency gained is worth the investment. Let's talk about customer support. BambooHR provides multiple support channels, email and phone support, an extensive help center with articles and tutorials, live chat for quick issues, and dedicated account managers for larger clients. Users report fast, helpful, and friendly support, especially during implementation and data migration. Moving forward to the pros and cons of BambooHR. Pros: die Auswahl, extremely user-friendly interface, comprehensive HR feature set, Scalable for small to mid-sized teams, excellent onboarding and performance tools, reliable customer support. Cons: pricing is not transparent. US-focused payroll systems. Lacks advanced analytics compared to enterprise tools. Some integrations limited or paid separately. For global companies or large enterprises, BambooHR may feel limited, but for SMBs, it's a powerhouse. Let's compare BambooHR with other tools. So how does BambooHR compare to other HR platforms in 2026 versus Gusto? Gusto is more payroll-centric. BambooHR offers stronger people management and performance tools versus Zoho People. Zoho is cheaper but less intuitive. BambooHR wins on usability. Versus Namely offers more for larger orgs. BambooHR is more SMB friendly. BambooHR shines for companies that need easy onboarding and intuitive UI and solid HR tools in one place. Let's check what people are saying on Trustpilot Reviews. According to Trustpilot, BambooHR holds a rating of around 4.3 out of 5 as of early 2026. Positive feedback includes great onboarding features, super intuitive interface, amazing support team. Negative feedback includes too expensive for startups, limited features without paid add-ons. Overall, most users praise its ease of use and say it delivers on its promises, especially for growing companies. Let's move to the final thoughts. So is BambooHR the best HR tool in 2026 for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a modern, user-friendly HR system? It's definitely among the top choices. Verdict: ideal for SMBs, powerful yet simple, great support and scalability. If budget isn't your biggest concern and you want an HR tool your team will actually use, BambooHR is well worth considering. Let us know in the comments if you've used BambooHR or are considering it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more software reviews in 2026.